Hey there, Bertina, and everyone over at Tallys Quality Flooring. This is Melissa. I just wanted to take a minute and shoot this quick video for you, analyzing your website and show you a few tips and tricks on how you can increase your online presence. So I pulled up your website here, and it looks pretty good. I mean, it looks professional and everything. To me, this main photo up here looks a little bit blurry, so you might want to put a better quality photo up there. And also, you really want to have about 1,500 words of content on your homepage. Looks like you have 506. So the way Google works is they have crawlers and they look at all of the content on your site and keywords. So you really want to have some relevant keywords. Maybe Palm Coast flooring, laminate flooring, Palm Coast, like all kinds of words like that. And really, you need a lot more in order for Google to find you and put you at the top of their search engine. So when we go over here and Google, say floor installation Jacksonville, right? All of these ads up here, people are all paying for all of these ads to be at the very top of the Google page. And then when you scroll down a little bit, this is what's called the map pack. So all of these people have what's called a Google My Business page. So that's something that lists your company name, your address, and it shows it on the map, your phone number, and usually it links your website to it as well. And you want to have at least like 10 to 15 pictures listed on there as well, and at least 25 reviews. You can see a lot of these people have a lot more than 25, and that's why they're up here in the top 3. And you really want to be in the top 3 because most people, when they go and search for something, they're not really going to go past this first page. They're not going to click view all. They're going to pick one of these that has a lot of good reviews, and they're just going to choose one that way. So when you keep scrolling down, this is what's called the organics. So when we look at precision flooring, that's basically your biggest competitor. That's who you're trying to beat out to get to the top of that page organically. So you don't have to pay for any advertising and keep paying monthly, out the ass for all kinds of advertising that you really don't need if you can get those keywords and maybe get some backlinks. So a backlink is basically any other website, article, or blog that's going to refer people back to your site. And all backlinks are not created equally. So if you have some spammy sites that are actually referring people back to your site, that could give you a negative effect. So I use this program called Ahrefs to analyze people's websites, and when we pull up yours, it looks like you have Google's not seeing any of your keywords. You're only getting about 11 people to your site per month, and I'm not sure if that's from this. It looks like you have one backlink, so it might be from that, or maybe you're paying for some advertising. I'm not sure, but if we get you some more relevant content and get you some reputable backlinks in here, you're really going to be more competitive and get to the top of that Google page along with this guy, Precision. So you can see he has 27 people organically coming to his site a month. He has 119 keywords. He has 150 backlinks, and those are probably coming from pretty reputable companies, not spammy sites or anything like that. And that's what's getting him to the top of that page. So I hope that this helped you out a little bit, and please feel free to let me know if you have any questions at all or if I can help you with implement any of this on your own. Thanks a lot. Have a good night.